What's up everyone, ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well and thanks for tuning into the channel. So in one of my last videos, we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 15.6 inch. And I let you guys know that I ordered a screen protector for it and was waiting for it to arrive. Well, guess what? It has finally come in and I am so excited to get this thing installed and see how it looks and see if it affects any of the performance of that touchscreen. So what do you guys say we go ahead and get started with this installation? Alrighty everyone, so here we have the screen protector in its packaging and all it came in was this plastic sleeve. But down here at the corner it tells us the company's name, which is Celsius. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, by the way. And it also tells us what device this is for, which is the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 15. And then it just gives us some more information here, a couple of barcodes and a QR code, and it tells us that this is the impact model because that's the one that I chose. Now this company does have a bunch of different screen protectors available for the Galaxy Book Flex as well as all the other Galaxy Books that are out there. Now I chose the impact version just because it is just a standard clear glossy screen protector, and they say that it helps with any impacts or protecting it from an impact. But the biggest reason was the cost. This was probably the cheapest out of all the screen protectors that they offered. I believe that the most expensive one went up to almost $100, if not a little bit more. And that's for like maximum privacy protection and all that jazz. But I got this one just to see how it looks. So I will be leaving a couple links to the products that they offer for the Galaxy Book series down in that description box below if you guys do want to check it out. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and we'll see everything that comes inside. Alright, and they have some pretty strong adhesive holding this packaging together. It's probably the strongest I've ever seen on any kind of plastic packaging like this. But anyways, here it is. Let's slide this all out and get rid of that. And the first thing I see is a screen application toolkit. So it tells us everything that's included on the back, which is awesome. The application toolkit includes a microfiber cleaning cloth, alignment tabs, application squeegee, pre-application dust removers, post-application dust removers, and then it says for application instructions, please refer to your screen protector pack. Well, that screen protector pack didn't really have much information on it to begin with. But let's go ahead and take all this stuff out, and there's that strong adhesive I was talking about again. They really do seal these things very well. Alrighty, so here's that microfiber cloth. Comes in another one of those little plastic baggies. Here we have some of those stickers. So here is the screen protector alignment tab. We can put that aside. We have another set of those. We have another set of them and another set of them. So we get 4 sets of screen protector alignment tabs. I'm not really sure why they only sent one screen protector in this kit, but I guess this could be used for the dust removal application as well. And then we have that squeegee, and this is one of those nice ones that has the microfiber piece on the bottom here so that doesn't really scratch that screen after you're done putting it on. And then the next thing we have is the screen protector itself, and it's actually a pretty thick screen protector. It feels very thick. I kind of see a little dent here. Hopefully that doesn't show when we install it, probably from shipping. But yeah, it's a pretty thick screen protector as I can feel it right here. And then let's see how it kind of aligns on that screen. And it pretty much covers the entire screen, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and start getting this thing installed. So one thing that I can already see that they did not include in this kit, which is very important in my opinion, is a cleaning wipe. Now, I have these from a bunch of other screen protectors that I've installed, the extras, I always keep them. If you don't have this, just use some alcohol rub. You can use an alcohol rub pad or just regular alcohol with a paper towel just to clean down the surface, or with a microfiber cloth. So let's go ahead and get this surface cleaned up because I have used this a little bit and I'm sure there's some kind of oil residue somewhere on this screen. Alright, and once you feel like you have cleaned that screen enough, then we can grab that microfiber cloth that was included and we can wipe it down and take off all the streaks. Alright, and once you see that your screen is completely streak-free and dust-free, we can either grab some of these little stickers here to remove any little dust specks that fall on the screen, or we can just get started. Before we get started, I do want to say that this is one of the most premium microfiber cloths that I've ever gotten in one of these screen protector kits. It just feels really nice, and it also doesn't leave any dust on the screen either, which is great. So let's go ahead and get this screen protector on here now. So on one side of the screen protector, it has a little sticker that says surface side, and on the other one it says the adhesive side. So we're going to be taking off number 1 first, which is the adhesive side. Alrighty, so now that I have the screen protector's number 1 side, which is the adhesive plastic protector, removed, I put on some of those screen alignment tabs and we're going to drop it into place like this. And I'm just going to align this according to the camera up at the top where that cutout is. I'll make sure that it's perfectly centered on the screen as well. Alright, and I think that is pretty good. Now we're going to grab that squeegee that was included and we'll use that to push out any additional air pockets that don't automatically get out. And that looks good like that. So the last thing to do is take off the surface sides film and we can see how it looks. Alrighty, once that's off, you can just push out any additional air bubbles that we see. Alright, and I think that this is the area where I saw that dent. Might have come from shipping. But honestly, it's not that big of a deal right now. I'm pretty sure that within a couple days, once this screen protector settles, that will just adhere to the screen on that part of the screen and should be fine. Alright. And that's it. I mean, honestly, my first impressions of having the screen protector on this Galaxy Book Flex is that it doesn't even appear that it's actually there. It's a really clear screen protector that really matches the glass on this Galaxy Book Flex. It doesn't go fully border to border, edge to edge, but it's like maybe a millimeter off of each edge, which isn't bad. It's okay. That's perfectly fine. So the last thing to do is to test it out. We'll turn this on, see how everything looks, if it changed any kind of colors on the screen, any views, and also see how that touch sensitivity is with it. Alrighty, I've gone ahead and dimmed the lights just because of the glare, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how this screen looks, and it still looks spectacular. There's really no difference at all in color vibrance or in screen quality at all whatsoever with this screen protector installed. It feels exactly the same as it did before, maybe just a little difference because it is plastic rather than glass, but honestly, it's not an issue at all. The touch sensitivity is exactly the same. So if I were to touch on a video, it would automatically start playing it, and I can adjust the volume like that. It's still perfectly responsive as it was before. I can tap on little buttons. I have no issues. Now, one big thing that people are gonna ask is, what about that S Pen? Is it gonna leave any marks on this screen protector? And well, I kind of waited to test that out with you guys. So let's find out right now if it will leave any kind of marks or anything. So we'll just do a little bit of moving around. We'll slide this pen up and down. We'll kind of drag it through the video here. And this is my unboxing and review of the Galaxy Book Flex. So if you guys want to check that out, I will be leaving a link up here in this little corner so you guys can look at it. But yeah, I mean, honestly, the Note Pen feels amazing on this. I'm having no issues with the touch whatsoever. It's responding exactly to where I touch, and it's still extremely smooth. So all in all, I think that this is actually a really good screen protector. So the last thing to see is if there's any markings on the screen protector. So to do that, we'll just put this to sleep, and once this camera can focus, we will see if there are any markings whatsoever. And there are absolutely no markings from the S Pen on this screen protector whatsoever. So I am very impressed with this screen protector. Now you guys do see this little marking here. I believe that was because of shipping. They did ship it in a cardboard box, and the box did kind of come a little bent up, but it's not a big deal for me. When the screen's on, you don't even notice that whatsoever, so I have no issues with it. Only when the screen's off is when you're going to see it, but I'm sure in a couple days it'll probably go down and adhere to the screen or whatever. But until then, it's no issue for me. So overall, I think this is an amazing option. Well, actually the only option for a screen protector that I could have found on Amazon for the Galaxy Book Flex. As I said before, they do have a couple of different options that you can choose from depending on the level of privacy that you want, or if you want a matte finish, but things tend to get more and more expensive as you choose those options. And these screen protectors are available for all the Galaxy Book series, so I will be leaving a bunch of links to them down in that description box if you guys want to check it out. I mean, for me, this is a huge thing because I do want to protect this. This is a huge investment, and I want to keep that screen looking as beautiful as it does right out of the box for a really long time. So that was my biggest reason on looking and searching and trying to find a screen protector for it, and I am very happy to share that one with you guys right now. So once again, this is the impact version of the Celsius screen protectors. I hope I pronounced that right once again. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this installation and review of the screen protector. I really do like it. I would definitely recommend getting it. And with that all being said, if you guys enjoyed this video and you like what you saw, go ahead and smash that like button down below. And if you guys want to see more content just like this, consider subscribing to my channel. If you guys have any questions or comments at all about this screen protector, go ahead and drop them down in that comment section below, and I will be quick to answer them. If you guys like my videos and you want to be notified as soon as I upload any new ones, go ahead and hit that notification bell down in that corner, and you guys will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. Alright everyone, well, it's always a pleasure, and I hope you guys all stay well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you all next time.